Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn about XAML. I know some of you know that what is XAML and what is its description, but just take it as a revision and if someone don't know, he will get the knowledge of the XAML language. Okay. So when the project opens, you can see this is the structure of the project. Here you can see there are three XAML files: app XAML, app share, and the main page.xaml. So each when you expand each file, you will see that each will have a set as CS file .xaml.cs file. So this app is for starting it will tell which page to open first, which page will be the landing page, and the other information that will be stored for overall the application. And this is app share for navigation, and this is main page. This is the content page. Okay, so these two will we will see later. First, we will see what is XAML and what the XAML content. When you add any the content page is in XML format. Okay, so this content page have a XML and this has given a URL, but this URL uh, version identifier which contain a certain information, and this XML NS is for binding the namespace. So you can say this URL content this URL is a namespace for the content page. If you remove this line, we will see what will happen. If you remove this line, so it will throw an error for all the controls. Means you understand that uh, this is not removable. This is very important for this page. So this will contain certain information to load to run the application and to load the UI and the other information. Okay, and another is uh, you can add for the prefix. Okay, so prefix can be stored in any letter. For example, if I use Y, here I can use as a Y. Okay, so it is not necessary that you have to give X, but X is .NET MAU is referring X as a universal prefix, so use X and it will look good if you will use the X. So this X will store the information of the prefix. It will contain the XAML information. Okay, for example, that means XAML information means attributes and all these things. So if this X will contain something like class, data type, factory data, name, UID, and this are the attribute that X will contain. This will be helpful for the to manage the um, controls. So the X dot class means uh, which class means which CS file is uh, corresponding to this content page associated with this content page. That class is saying to the content page that this CS file he has to use um, to backend page. Okay. Another thing is that uh, this XAML file having the start with the opening bracket and the closing bracket. Okay, so you have to write opening and closing bracket and the control. Okay, and it will be end through the closing bracket slash and the closing bracket. Okay, and another way also closing, you can close the control if it is in same line, so you can use the slash and the this bracket. Okay, otherwise you can also use this. There are two ways. Okay, another thing is that in label this text is written. Okay, and we can also write in this format also. For example, label dot, okay, text, not, if there is text color, you can write in one line. Okay, but it is also possible to write in the another format also. For example, label dot text color and the aqua. Okay, so it will take a text color as a aqua. So you can write this property. There are some property assigned like text color is visible formatted text in the outside the label closing. Okay, but it is very easy to use in the one line. So um, most of all developers are preferring to use in one line. Another thing is that when this Visual Studio will give a structure that will be easy to understand when you hover this uh, this image will cover, means it will change the color when you hover on the control. This control will start from here to this end, and you can also expand and collapse. Okay, these are the things. So XAML is very easy, um, and these are the three part um, through which XAML will work. If these three part is not contained, then XAML will not work. So don't so I hope you understand this, and in next video we will learn new things. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.